Hi family, just taking a nice little nature walk here. Lots of pretty trees and it's a nice day. Of course there's an actual cement trail there, but I like to head on out into the wilderness to see what I can see. There's actually something over here that I wouldn't mind showing you. I don't know if you can see it. That is the Grand Canyon, one of the 7 wonders of the world. There's no way I can show you the entire thing. I think it's 18 miles across and 200 and some odd miles long. But just to give you an idea, it is just massive and kind of terrifying. And I'm right up, not to make you nervous here. If you get this video, you'll know that I'm okay. But I'm right on the edge here. You can walk along the edge. That's the Grand Canyon in Arizona. Bye.